Into the bedrooms from the kitchen, we have a large spacious laundry room. My favorite part of the house is the doggy room, which leads to the garage. Large spacious garage. More storage. This leads to the upstairs. The other bedrooms. First bedroom on the left. Closet. Own private bathroom. Second bedroom, pretty much mirror image of the first one. Similar closet space. Another identical bathroom, full bathroom, which is a Jack and Jill, where they share the same toilet and shower, but they have their own vanity. Which leads out into the third bedroom. So far we have 4 bedrooms, counting the master. Now we go to the 5th and final bedroom downstairs. Large closet, another full bath, another good sized room. This leads back to another storage closet, which now leads to the upstairs.